Hi guys and welcome back. This is FPL Goa and today we're going to be talking about wants to watch, differentials and captain picks for game week 16. So without wasting any time, let's dive.
My one to watch for game week 16 is Patrick Bamford of Leeds United. Leeds play West Brom away, and Bamford scored the only goal, which was a penalty. And I think that's a really good news for Bamford owners, since he wasn't on penalty duty before and now he is. So I'm sure that will take his goal tally higher and will obviously get you more points whenever Leeds get a penalty and he scores. And Bamford has scored 10 goals and has 1 assist, which is like he is in the form of his life, I feel. And coming to West Brom, they are at the bottom of the table. They are in the bottom 3 and I've just won 1 game till now, and I think it's a good game for Leeds United to play the way they play and score many goals if they can. And I'm sure Patrick Bamford will get some good points, and he will be a good one to watch, I feel, this game week.
My wants to watch for game week 16 is Che Adams. Southampton play West Ham at home in game week 16. Southampton in their past 5 home games have won 3 games and Che Adams has scored 3 goals. West Ham have conceded in their past 4 away games. Che Adams can be a threat to West Ham defense with his creativity. Last game week versus Fulham, Che Adams has 1 shot on target.
My wants to watch pick for game week 16 is João Cancelo. Since Kyle Walker is tested positive for COVID, I think João Cancelo should be the primary right back as of now. We have seen that Pep Guardiola has been using João Cancelo this season but as a left back. But we know that what he is capable of, and he also possesses a lot of threat in the opposition box, and he also has a knack of crossing, which makes a lot of difference for Manchester City. And since Aguero seems to be fit, he's a great finisher, so crosses from João Cancelo can make difference for Manchester City.
So those were our wants to watch for game week 16. Now moving on, we go to differentials.
My differential pick is Diaz. Diaz is just picked by 6.4% teams and is priced at 5.7 million. City play Everton away from home in game week 16. In the past 5 away fixtures, City have kept clean sheets in 4 games, and Diaz has played in all the games, so I don't feel he will be affected with Pep's rotate.
My differential for game week 16 is Maddison of Leicester City. He's just owned by 6% FPL owners, and Leicester are playing Crystal Palace away, and Maddison could be a really good differential. He also got an assist against United last game week and was looking very sharp, and all the play of Leicester was going through him. And coming to Crystal Palace, they conceded 7 goals against Liverpool and 3 goals against 10-man Villa. And they look very poor defensively and have just kept 1 clean sheet, which was in the first game of theirs. And Maddison could be the key player in this game. Also, he could be very useful in the double game week, which is game week 19. So if you want, you could get him in now this game week, and it would be useful in game week 19. Or otherwise, you could get him later. Get him in later. So I feel he's going to be a good differential pick for this game week.
My differential for this game week is Kelechi Iheanacho. I know it's a bit weird if you want to pick that my differential is Kelechi Iheanacho rather, but going by what Brendan Rodgers said in his press conference, he said that the likes of Jamie Vardy and Yuri Tielemans way too important and essential for Leicester to risk them getting injured. So if you go by that, and with the Christmas schedule being so jam-packed and punishing as it is, there is a chance that Vardy gets rested. And if Vardy does get rested, I think it's going to be Iheanacho who takes his spot up front. He's only priced at 5.6 million and he's owned by less than 1%. So if you're feeling risky and if you just want a 1 week punt before maybe you use your wildcard, I think it could be safe if you go with Iheanacho, because Leicester are a very attacking side, and away from home they get most of their goals and most of their victories, like beating the likes of City and Tottenham. And with Vardy being likely to be rested according to the press conference, I think Iheanacho should start and maybe grab a goal or two. Pretty risky differential, but could have a high reward. It's a high risk, high reward differential.
My differential pick for game week 16 is Rafinha. Leeds United play against West Brom, which is a away fixture. West Brom recently hired a new manager, so it will take a bit of time for the players to get used to the tactics. Leeds have started the season really in a great manner. Rafinha possesses a great pace, just how Marcelo Bielsa demands from his players. He can play on either of the wings and also has a knack from scoring outside the box, which gives an edge for FPL managers as it's an easy fixture this game week.
So those were our differentials for game week 16. Now finally we come on to captain picks.
My captain pick for game week 16 is Harry Kane. And if you don't have Kane, I think it's a very good time to get him in. And let me tell you why. The next 4 game weeks for Spurs, they play Fulham at home, Leeds at home, Villa away, and Sheffield United away, which I feel are very good games for Kane to get maximum points. And as you know, Kane has 9 goals and 10 assists, which is the highest direct goal contribution for Spurs. And it's very likely that if he doesn't get a goal, he'll get an assist in these games. And everyone is expecting him to get really good points in these 4 game weeks. Coming to Fulham are at the bottom of the table, and they have improved. I feel like they drew versus Southampton, and they've looked a better team than they were before. But I feel it's very unlikely for them causing an upset to Spurs away, and so that's why Kane is a good captain pick, I feel, for this game week, and is a really good asset to have or bring in this game week for the next 4 game weeks, I feel.
My captain pick for game week 16 is Bobby Firmino. Since the Spurs game, Firmino has been looked really sharp, hungry for goals. Also, he got a brace against Crystal Palace. But not only about goals, he is a great playmaker and a decisive player for Liverpool. He combines really well with Sadio Mane and Mohamed Salah, which makes the difference for the FPL managers. Not only goals, but also getting some assist for them will make a huge impact. Also, Liverpool will look to retain their top position, so the players will get some goals on board for Jurgen Klopp.
My captain pick for this game week is Jamie Vardy. Leicester play Crystal Palace away, and Leicester score most of their goals away from home. They win a lot of their games away from home. And Jamie Vardy, out of his 11 goals, has 9 of his goals away from home. Palace over the last 2 games have conceded 10 goals and 27 shots in that time period. They lost 3-0 to Villa last game, and Villa kept a clean sheet, and even though they had Tyrone Mings sent off, so Palace aren't really looking too good attacking wise also. Coming back to Leicester, Brendan Rodgers has said that Tielemans and Jamie Vardy are way too essential for Leicester to be getting injured, so there is a risk of rotation. But I suppose if you do have Vardy, it's best to captain him and maybe keep your vice captain as someone safe like Bruno or Salah. At 10.1 million, he is a bit expensive, but I think at Palace away, he should be a really standard option for you to captain.
So there you go. We've had a once to watch, differentials and captain picks for game week 16. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and give us some feedback through the comment section. Thanks for watching again and see you again soon next game week. Cheers.